I will rule this city. ऐसा शाहरुख खान ने कहा था और अब मोहसिन खान कह रहा है। हाय, मेरा नाम है मोहसिन खान and welcome to a new episode of Suburb. वैसे सिटी की बात की जाए तो that's मुंबई सिटी and right now I'm standing in बांद्रा. अब बांद्रा को बोलते हैं हार्ट ऑफ मुंबई, लेकिन हार्ट ऑफ मुंबई में अगर हार्ट बीट ही ना हो तो फिर बात कैसी होगी। हार्ट बीट मतलब रेस्टोरेंट, लेकिन रेस्टोरेंट में सिर्फ आप खाना खाते हैं, उसके बाद अगर आपको एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए तो फिर आप कोई गेमिंग पार्लर चले जाते हैं, और फिर अगर आपको डांस करने का मन होता है तो फिर आप कोई डिस्कोथेक जाते हैं। लेकिन जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं वर्ली और बांद्रा के बीच में का जो गैप है वो इस वर्ली सीलिंग में ब्रिज इन किया है। वैसे ही एक रेस्टोरेंट, इनफैक्ट रेस्टोरेंट बार है जिसका नाम है टैप, इसने भी यहाँ पे एक ब्रिज लगा दिया है जिसमें आपको एंटरटेनमेंट मिल जाता है, आपको एक डांस फ्लोर मिल जाता है और आपको टेस्टी यमी फूड के साथ एकदम ही रिफ्रेशिंग मॉकटेल्स और कॉकटेल्स भी मिलते हैं। यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर टैप रेस्टो बार? देन दिस इज द राइट शो। मेरा नाम है मोहसिन and let's rule the city.
When it comes to location, TAP is easy to locate. It's on the 3rd floor next to Global Fusion, Link Square Mall, opposite KFC, Bandra West.
टैप स्पोर्ट्स बार। अब बांद्रा जैसे बिजी एरिया में वैले पार्किंग ना, दैट्स अ सबर्ब फैक्टर।
Hello sir, hi, good evening. Welcome to TAP. So, how many of you sir?
I'm just one.
Simran, please upstairs. You can hang out nearby bar. Thank you sir.
A warm welcome as expected at टैप रेस्टो बार। बट मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत ही पसंद आई, वो ये है कि इनकेस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होगी और हमें वेट करना होगा तो यहाँ पे एक एलईडी लगा है, तो ऐसे में मेरे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट मैचेस जो है वो मैं मिस नहीं करूँगा। दिस इज वन थम्स अप। चलिए आगे चलते हैं, मैं बताता हूँ धीरे धीरे मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। बहुत ही शानदार है और एक कंट्री फील आ रही है एंड एज यू कैन सी, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे आपके फेवरेट आइकन्स के यहाँ पे अब आप देख सकते हैं ये तस्वीरें लगी हुई है। दैट्स मोहम्मद अली एंड व्हाट दे हैव टू से, आई हेटेड एवरी मिनट ऑफ माय ट्रेनिंग बट आई सेड डोंट क्विट, सफर नाउ एंड लिव द रेस्ट फॉर योर लाइफ एज चन। वाओ, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक, सुपर्ब एक्सपीरियंस है एंड चलो यार और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। कम ऑन गाइस, वेलकम टू टैप रेस्टो बार। This is the open section and the party is happening. Check it out. Again, I really love all these pictures and the decor here. Best part is when I'm going to click some selfies and I'm going to post it on the social sites. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of likes. And this is what I am loving about Tap Resto Bar. Cheers. And that's one suburb factor, I must say. Now this is the outdoor section at Tap Sports Bar, which is fantastic, but let's check out the indoor section also. So we've got one big screen over here also and so many screens all around. Missed even one important delivery. Here's a beautiful indoor bar. Have a look. I'm here at Tap Resto Bar, Bandra, and now with me is Shreya and her group, who's going to share their experience about Tap Resto Bar. Shreya, tell us more about the place. How is it?
It's a very nice place, a really good place to come out with my friends to chill out on a Sunday evening, and I just love this place. So I think I look forward to come here over the weekends.
What do you like about the place?
The ambience and the food.
Hi, Brushali. I love the place and I love the ambience. Basically, I think what everybody likes is just not, a good place to be with your group of friends, as well as you have a few games here. So I think that's what we want. So, Matisha.
Matisha, tell us more about your experience and the food and again the value for money if you've been through the menu.
We actually really loved it because they have those happy hours mentioned. So you don't have those mentioned everywhere. So you can actually pick a dish on the basis of the happy hours and the budgeted ones. So we really love the place. We love it. All of us just enjoyed the time that we had here.
What have you ordered?
We ordered the nachos. There's some chicken charamula and charcoal. We've ordered pasta. We've ordered pizza. We've ordered everything possible on the menu. So
it's nice, the place is nice, the ambience is nice. My brother had visited it just a week back and he told me that go visit it, it's a very nice place. There is a large screen, what else can you ask for sports fans?
यार पैसा वैसा कितना खर्च करना पड़ रहा है या बजट अच्छा है यहाँ पे?
बजट के अंदर है, it's perfectly fine and perfectly fine for a laid back Sunday. We have like chill drinks and enjoy the match on a weekend.
So many restaurants here in Bandra. Why would you come here again?
because the place is really happening and we are chilled out with friends. We don't have to get up early and we can just sit.
It's too comfortable to sit on. We like the couch, it's too comfortable to sit on.
I've ordered a pasta over here. It's spicy, it's fresh, and it's living up to my expectations. Very tangy, very fresh. Once again, a thumbs up for the pasta with a crushed peach mocktail. And let's see how does this mocktail taste. Refreshing. एक फ्रेशनेस ही आ गई मुझ में. पास्ता भी बहुत ही बढ़िया है. I wanted to order a lot, but what I've done this time is I'm going to share the experience of the people coming in. I want them to speak कि उनको खाना कैसा लग रहा है. मैं तो खाते ही रहता हूँ, मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. इस बार लोगों को पूछेंगे कि उनकी राय क्या है खाने के बारे में. लेकिन एक चीज़ तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, यहाँ का जो फीवर है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर है और जो एम्बियंस है, इज ड्राइविंग मी क्रेजी. खुली हवा, अच्छा म्यूजिक, गुड क्राउड ऑफ कोर्स एंड गुड फूड. Tap Resto Bar at Bandra is one place you have to be. मैं पास्ता खाता हूँ, आप लोग एंजॉय करें. I'm here in Tap Resto Bar in Bandra and I'm in conversation with Shreya, owner's daughter. Shreya अभी हमें Tap Resto Bar के बारे में कुछ बताने वाली है. Shreya, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, after the success of Tap Andheri, how did you come up with the idea to give Bandra, the heart of Mumbai, a new heartbeat?
Well, Mohsin, I believe that Rome wasn't built in a day. So to have the idea, the concept, the material, to go forward with it, to put it into action, and to reap the benefits out of it, and well, not always benefits. So basically, we first introduced Tap in Andheri, and we experimented over there. We noticed a lot of crowd driven from Bandra. So we saw the potential in Bandra, and henceforth, why not Bandra?
Its very own Tap Resto Bar.
Yes, now we've given it to Bandra as well.
The vision behind Taps. Are we going to see more Taps?
Yeah, henceforth, maybe in town, hopefully, if we get a good place and if we've offered good potential, so why not? Wherever we see potential, you see Chanagreed Group over there.
One more question. When it comes to Bandra, so how does Tap Resto Bar differ from the above?
Well, the answer lies in your question itself, Mohsin. Basically, if you want to eat food, if you want to eat some delicious food, you're craving for food, you would go to a restaurant. If you're craving for music, to dance and stuff, you go to a pub. But as we mainly specialize in food business, we serve you both. We're giving you good music, we're giving you good food. Then you can come over here, play pool, play basketball, dunk basketball, everything. You have everything, the punching bag, dart machine, you have air hockey. So you can come reminisce your times with your friends, have a beer, chilled beer, good food. Yeah, that's it.
So tell us more about the food also, what varieties you get over here?
Well, we don't only have a variety of food, we have a variety of cuisine. We have Mexican, Italian, Chinese and kebab, etc. Yeah, we serve everything.
And I'm sure they're going to be up to the mark because it's from the house of China Gate.
Yes, everything is going to be up to the mark.
Basically, Tap Resto Bar is not only about food. You can come, you can play your games. And I've seen a dance floor also.
Yes, there is a dance floor as well inside. Like you can come in the night and the DJ pumps the music and stuff, so you can go to the beat and all. And we have every Thursdays we have Toxic Thursdays where you will see a live band over here.
So guys, you don't want to miss those Toxic Thursdays. So now I suppose Thursday would be the new weekend.
Yes, of course it is going to be the new weekend. But for the weekend also we have planned something like in the coming future. Every Sundays we're going to have Lazy Sunday brunch. It's going to be between 12 to 4. And we're going to have events. We're going to be conducting events. So they're going to be like artists, events, and stand-up comedians, jazz, live band, every Sundays.
It's going to be 12 to 4. That's the noon hours.
Yes, yes.
Oh, now this is one thing which I really like because Sundays normally what happens is that we are not doing anything. And nights also we refrain ourselves because the next day it's going to be office. So that's a very good thought actually. 12 to 4 is the time where I would like to spend and get out and then go and take a rest and then I can go for my office.
Yes. Henceforth, Lazy Sundays.
Lazy Sunday. I'm feeling lazy. Were you into games? And were you into sports?
Yes, I was a good footballer. I was a professional footballer when I was a kid. Here at the moment, I'm good at everything, yeah, Mohsin. I can challenge you at every game except for pool, of course. Well, other than sports, I'm yet a student. I'm yet completing my studies from Switzerland. I'm doing my second year. And it's yet my learning period and I have a long way to go. So yeah, I'm yet a student.
And what about the practical experience when you come here? Kaisa lagta hai?
Yeah, well, I've come back for my internship. So I'm interning under my dad. So I've seen the whole process, everything from construction to everything, yes.
Shreya, last but not the least, Mr. Krishna Tamang's vision behind Tap Resto Bar, China Gate Group and his success mantra.
Well, Dad is very spontaneous. He's always on his foot. So first when we introduced Tap in Andheri, it was not so long ago. And within a short span of time, he opened within Bandra. So he's always spontaneous. He's always like, bum, 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 bum. We have to work over here, there. And maybe in near future, you'll see Tap also in town. So yeah.
Great. So if you're a townie, I'm sure there's a surprise coming for you. Right now, जो Bandra Heights है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश है. And me personally, I am a China Gate Group fan. And I really love all the restaurants of China Gate Group. And especially Tap Resto Bar in Bandra is one place you have to be here. Shreya, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Mohsin. We're so thrilled to have you here. Thank you.
Cheers. place here at TAP, and with me is Rocky. Rocky, can you tell us more about the place? Where are you from exactly?
Well, I'm from London, England, but my parents are from India, and so I'm an Indian who has traveled from the UK to be in Mumbai, and I love it. Ah, la, 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 la.
This one was great. What do you like about TAP, and how is it different from the places you visited before?
Well, I came here last week to see my friend Randolph's band, Bombay Black, and it was an amazing experience. I think this venue offers a very alternative scene in Mumbai for people to come and see great music created by people from the ground up, grassroots, enjoy something by musicians that really are passionate about making a change, which is what the people really want in Mumbai and in this country.
Great, great. And what about the food and the drinks over here?
Oh, well, I've only experienced the drinks, but maybe the food later.
I'm also from London, actually. You know, I really enjoy like he was saying, the opportunity for some live music combined with really nice DJs, nice atmosphere, the indoor part, the outdoor part. It's very cool, a nice scene.
My name is Bob Brambhat. I'm from London. I'll tell you what, TAP has tapped our heart, right? It's very good. Krishna Tamang is quite a known person with regards to the hospitality trade as such. So, you know, I mean, there's so many places that he has got and everything. We've always gone one or the other place. And this is one place which I like, which is the KFC lane, obviously. It's brilliant. The music is great. You reckon the music is great? The food is fantastic. I think everything on the bill at the end of the day is very reasonable. It's a mixed crowd. That's one particular thing. I mean, it soothes your eyes, of course.
We are here at TAP Sports Bar Bandra, and with me is Daddy. You know, why do they call you Daddy?
Because I have unconditional love.
Okay.
Beat that.
Alright, tell us more about the event which will be happening over here.
Yeah, what we're trying to do is trying to restart the independent music scene in Bandra. Because, you know, the thing is that we need a platform in Bandra where the fans are, where you can actually have great music at beautiful prices. You know, people need to afford what they can drink and not have to like think about the wallet, and yet give them a platform with the best sound in the country, because Warren D'Souza of sound.com does the sound. So he does the Commonwealth Games and A.R. Rahman concerts and Sunburn. And so every Thursday I'm going to give you the best bands in the country coming and playing live right here at TAP.
Every
Because
Thursday.
because Mr. Tamang has a dream, just like I do, that we have to give a platform to the rest of the world to show that we can tell them, come here and have the best time of your life. The thing is, what we've done is that there are two sections in TAP, so sports bar, right? So there's the outside section and there's the inside section. What you can do is come out here, have a great time because the music is playing outside and it's recorded music. But if you want to dip in, go in and hear the live music of this country, the best live music right inside. There are three things that I did this for. One is that it's the middle of Bandra.
Yeah.
It's value for money. And we've got a 2,000 square feet terrace. Where in the hell in the middle of Bandra do you have a 2,000 square feet terrace and a 2,000 square feet inside space where you have the best sound and live music going on? You cannot beat it, man.
So if you want
We are starting a new religion.
it is a new religion, and if you want to join this religion, you got to be here at TAP.
At TAP, Bandra, above Global Fusion, Link Square Mall. Come here every Thursday or every day of your life and have the best time of your life.
Guys, I'm sure visually आप लोगों ने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि कितना ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, पर और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा कब आएगा जब आप लोग यहाँ टैप रेस्टो बार बांद्रा में आएंगे ना. वार्म वेलकम, ग्रेट एम्बियंस, गुड डेकोर, एक्सेलेंट फूड, उसके अलावा मॉकटेल्स वर अप टू द मार्क, कॉकटेल्स वर अप टू द मार्क, एंड लुक एट द प्लेस, लुक एट द फीवर यार. लोगों को देखो, क्राउड इज़ फैंटास्टिक, मनी इज़ रीजनेबल. व्हाट एल्स, ऑफ कोर्स वैले पार्किंग है, गेम्स मैंने खेला, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया. मैंने सुबह अपना क्रिकेट एंजॉय किया, नाउ आई एम एंजॉयिंग द फुटबॉल मैच. एवरीथिंग अंडर वन रूफ. टैप रेस्टो बार हैज मेड इट पॉसिबल. टिल देन, keep burping, keep suburping.